Hi, welcome back to my software architecture video. If you see my previous video, then I have defined already what is software architecture, what it terms in my way. So here I am going to tell you about what is the key aspects behind this. There are many cases like maintainability, sustainability, reusability, change, scalability, and so on. So let's go into some detail in uh, detail way. So what is maintainability? Maintainability refers to maintain our software architecture and throughout the whole life cycle. Either maybe it's a software or maybe it's that lifespan. So it's as a very well defined structures and we can easily navigate each and every part without any hassle. There is another thing is scalability. So scalability means we can scale our application in uh, n number of what you say parameters and n number of systems, right? Like there are many ways in scalability: horizontal scale, vertical scale, and other. But we have to define architecture in such a way can we can scale in future as well, either maybe in the sharding also in terms of the MySQL database or other terms. So that scalability is also required. Another terms we refer is the reusability. So we can define or we can tell our developers or well our implementation team so they can easily identify some of the reusable code. Like if we develop one module, then we can also scale that module to the different level, right? So such type of reusability component we have to add. This is also part of the technology architecture, but uh, we have to define or we have to tell these are the common architecture pattern, so you can refer in these terms and these terms. Second, another one is reusability. As I said, reuse the code. Third one is scalability, also is parallel with that. And another thing, how to execute this with the some executable way, right? As I said, it should be like once we define our architecture, then that is not a stoppage. So we have to start from there to some level of uh, movement, right? So we have to move that architecture in different way, or we have to propose some different way, right? So there are some of the stakeholders also involved. So in their world, we have to also check what is their way, and is our architecture is well defined with the vision and mission. So that type of way also we have to think about it. So whatever we define in terms of the architecture, that could be easily adaptable by the industry standard as well. If it is not adaptable by industry standard, then what is the use of? What should I be including in the technology? Which technology we should cover it is? Let's say one example. If I make one architecture that is only that has some limitations, like that is applicable to only the PHP language or the only the specific language or specific to the MySQL database only. But what happen if we want to go with another NoSQL database, Cassandra, or maybe other database available, right? So those database, what should we do? Or maybe let's terms of the relational database. If our system is not capable to handle the database movement or database change, like Postgres in relational, MySQL is also relational, and Postgres is also relational. So what happen? So our application should be in such a way, designed in such a way that should adopt or that will adapt in future to the new technology. in our application also should maintain the load in terms of scalability, right? So there are many criteria we'll discover up in next chapter as well. See you soon.